Hello, everybody. This is Mr. Palomine, your secondary map coordinator for Sharon ISD. I'm going to be going over standard 711A, which is solving two-step equations and inequalities using various models and things like that, or with different ways of doing it. And so I'm going to start with strip diagrams. I'm going to do one video per page so you can kind of see the different ways we like our seventh graders to work these problems out. You will see a QR code somewhere here at the bottom, probably about here, not here, but somewhere here. And then here you're just going to see my representation of a number line. And so we're going to start with the strip diagram. And all we're going to do is we're going to call one side 3x plus 4 and the other side 16. I might not use all four strip diagrams, but as you can see representation of it. This is a good way to introduce something for a variable when everything's positive. It's a good visual representation. I do eventually see the state showing us this, right? So we're gonna draw 3x plus 4 up here and then 16 down here. So from here to here, this whole thing is 16. All right, this entire thing is 16. So the length from here to here is 16. So you can think of it as a number line actually from 0 all the way to 16. And this whole thing over here will be 3x plus 4. So I'm gonna go and call this part the plus 4 part. And over here, my 3x part. Now you're gonna be wondering, what is he doing? Well, I'm gonna cut this into 3 x's. Get it? 3x. Video will have me kind of doing it. You'll just see me do this real quick, but I'm gonna erase it. I could have done this, right? And just take it from there, right? But I'm going and breaking it apart to what we want the kids to draw. All right, so we can do that 3x plus 4 is 16. Now, hoping you can kind of see if this is 4, this little part is also 4, right? And so let's go there. I do know one thing. All right, I do know this. So this part is x, and that part is x, and that part is x. That's my 3x. From here to here is 3x. If this part is 4, and this whole thing is 16, this part is also 4. What's this part going to be? And you can stop the video, do whatever you need to do, and then come back and say, what did he say? And hopefully you'll see that it's what? 12, because 12 plus 4 is what? 16. Now that we know that, I can do this, right? That part and that part, I don't need them. I can kind of remove that part. And then come over here and say, okay, what I got left? Well, I have this 3x part equals to what? 12. And down here, what we teach you eventually is that we subtract that 4 from both sides, right? And I do lines this way, and that part will cancel out. I'm left with 3x equals to 12. That's this part. 1, 2, 3x equals to 12. And I can draw it over here. So then I know that this redrawing is this part is x, that part is x. It should be the same size, but I think we get the idea. This whole thing is 12. How much is each individual part if it's all the same length, right? So what is each part? Well, each part should be how much then? Well, that's a 4, that's a 4, and that's a 4. Because it should add up to how much? 12. And each is the same letter, which means each number should be the same. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12. So then I know that x equals to 4. Down here, we do what's called a division, right? We divide the coefficient by 3, and we say that cancels out, which it really doesn't. It divides into 1. So x equals to what? 4. So you've gone from a pictorial model, a strip diagram, to what's called the abstract part. Okay, the abstract part. And then we write down our answer is this way. We're going to write down just the value 4. We're going to shade it in just like that. And that's what my answer is. It's 4. And over here is the number 0 and so on. All right. So what is this thing, algebra tiles? What the heck is that? Well, I'm going to open up a new page. And I'm going to open up my, well, it's not there. It used to be there, but not anymore. So I'm going to type in something called Polypad. And we're going to solve for this guy. Let me hide this over here. Launch the Polypad, and we had 3x plus 4 equals to 16. These videos might be a little long, but it's okay. 3x, use my, oh, okay, thank you. Thank you for doing that. Here we go. Whoa, all right, well, we'll get it going. 3x, so it'd be 1, 2, 3, plus 4 equals 2. We're going to use a line to kind of divide that, right? Or, to cut into 2 parts. And then we're going to say, you know what, I'm going to grab this, I'm going to make a copy, and move it over here. How many times? 4 times. Get it? 'Cause 4 times 4 is what? 16. And all we do is this. I want to remove that 4 on this side. And so I'm going to make a copy. I'm going to bring it down here. But I'm going to do what's called negate it. I'm going to switch it. But what I do to one side, I do to the other. And that's what we did over here, right? That -4, -4. And that's what it looks like with tiles. And if I grab these guys, and I come over here, I eliminate them. I zero them out because there's 0 pairs. I zero them out, there's 0 pairs. And they're gone. And what am I left with? Is 1, 2, 3x equals to 12, which we had right here. 3x equals to 12, 3x equals to 12. Then we said each one is 4. What we're really doing is we're dividing 12 by 3. And so what we do here is we grab them like this. And I say, you know what, these 4 go with you over here. And these 4 go with this guy over here. And these 4 go with this guy over here. And each x gets 4. Bam. X equals 4. And then over here, what we do with our drawings is this. We go 1, 2, 3. These are x's. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm a little line. I'm actually going to do this because I want to work smart. We taught you, you're a 7th grader watching this, that's a 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 16. And there is my -4 on both sides because I'm going to put that -4. And what I do on this side, I do the other. These will cancel. These will cancel, leaving me with 3x equals to 12. And then I can do the representation. 1, 2, 3. And then get this 12 and cut into 3 equal parts. So it's 1, 2. These guys are taken care of. I cut that into a 10. 10, and then just keep going. 2, 3. You're gone. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You're gone. Or not gone. You move over here. 1, 2, 3. Move you over here. Now I got x equals to 4 again. I'm doing this part with algebra tiles. It's a picture of the algebra tiles. Me working it out the way, you know, most of your teachers were taught in school. A strip diagram, and then with a virtual manipulatives, me working it out. Very easy stuff. Hope this video will help you guys out. And I'll just keep working these out, and you use them how you need to use them. Thank you.